So I found a new feature today, the flip part of the phone. My daughter's making fun of me. So this is our 300th video. Now, a couple guys had asked me to put, I will, I'll turn it. My daughter's telling me what to do. It's the way it's supposed to be. Anyway, so I'm going to show you our track. I'm going to switch it around or not our track, our collection. Man, I'm screwing this up. Anyways, so I'm going to go over what cars we got. We'll start with the little guys first. These are our 116s. We like to buy in twos so that my daughter and I can play. So we got the Remo 116 stadium truck, the Q130, JJRQ, I think. And then we got the gantry. Gantry and the Q130 are the same exact truck. There's no difference in them. And then that's for my niece to drive. That's the little purple guy. Forget the model on it. And of course our Losi, our two-wheel drive 116 buggy. And then over here we got our 114s. In the front you got our EC30 and EC30B. They were two of our first cars, probably what started it all. And then in the front, that's our Speed Runner. It's a custom 114 made from Gem RC parts. Hopefully we'll get her over 50-60 miles an hour in the end. Next row, or they're all WLs. Well, these two are WL 144001s. And then that one's an EAT14 that we trugified. And then the back row is the Relardo deal that we got. You know, did pretty good on that. But all these cars together, let's do some quick math. Yeah, right. 130, 210, 250. So $600 for what, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 cars. That's not bad. It's not bad at all. And over here are bigger cars. First row is all our 112s, starting with our LC, probably our most expensive car and our best car. And then we got our custom truggy, and then our custom 12, so the carbon 12. You see Lando's in there, and Han's in there, ready to roll. And our WL 124008s, of course. And then right behind that's our 110401. And then we got, what was that? Yeah, we caught that one on fire. She's not running yet, but I'm upgrading her to brushless soon, so that won't be bad. Got some few repairs to do in here and there. So in the back is our 110 Piranha and our 112 HBX 903A, all brushed. Most of my cars are all brushed. I'm too cheap to get the brushless. Yeah, I think so too. They blow up more, but they better.
For our track, we don't.
I know, for our track it's the best. And the last but not least are my only two vintage cars. Now the Rockbuster, which is a Roadrunner here, but it's really Rockbuster. It's the only one I had as a kid, but this isn't my actual one. I bought it because that's the one that I had as a child. And then next to it's my Madcap. I got a bunch of parts in, so that's a build you guys will be seeing soon. Anyways, so yeah, that's my collection. Or our collection. Right, Lord? It's more about half are yours, right? Every other one. Not that you care.
Tell yourself when you buy it.
Well, I buy two, so it makes me feel better, right? So we'll get some close-ups. No. But altogether, if you take out the LC, I'm still under $2,000 on all this. And you might say that's a lot of money, but that's 24 cars. You know, that's a lot of RC cars. And it's over a 6-month period, so we budgeted it out. I probably spent too much, but I have fun, you know. I don't know. I hope you guys like. Like I said, this is our 300 video, and we're right on the edge of 500 subscribers. So hopefully by the time this goes out, we'll be right there. All right, I'll be back inside to do some more talking. So, second part of this video is thank you part. You know, going into this whole YouTube thing, I didn't know what to expect. I just figured, well, gotta start somewhere, you know, and wanted to do one, but I didn't know what. And I'm going through some life changes and working a lot less, so I have a lot of free time. So I figured I'd do a hobby that my family can do together. We had a place we could do it in the winter even, so it wasn't bad. I don't know. So I think I took it from a theory of you're gonna get into it or get out of it what you put into it. So I think I was looking at my statistics, and I've liked somewhere around 1,600 videos on the REIT Place account, not my personal the YouTube one, and it's a lot in 5 months. So it means anything I like, that means I watched it, and you know, for the most part, you know, there's every once in a while, whatever. But that's a lot of videos. So and through that, I've met a lot of people, exclusive, you know, Scotty, you know, RC Birds, and Thompsons. I don't know, all you guys, you know who you are, you know. I comment on that as much as I can. So, but the way I want to say thank you to my people that participate, you know, the ones that are here. I'm taking this cue from RC Icons, the way he did his last giveaway. I'm not listing it as a giveaway, but anybody that wants, I'm going to be giving away these beat boxes. I got 12 of them a while back. I was able to get them. I got 4 running already, and all it was swapping out the battery. So you're going to get an in-box beat box and a battery to go with it, so that you can get it running. You know, your soldering is probably better than mine. I'm not real good at it, so I don't want to be responsible for that. So, anyways, you know, all you gotta do is make some kind of comment. You know, and if you're one of my subscribers, I'll make a list, and once I hit 500 subscribers, I'll do a, you know, a little thing and see who wins. I'm gonna pick 3, and I'll send them out free charge and all that. All I ask you, take a picture or whatever, and let me see it running, or trying to get it running, because these little things are cool. Anyways, I just want to thank all you guys for subscribing and viewing. We're right there on the edge of 500 since I made the changes. All I need are a little more views, a couple of, I think we're at 480 right now, which is ridiculous. I didn't think I'd be this quick. Anyways, I want to thank you guys. If you're lucky enough, maybe you'll get one of these. I mean, it's not much, but it's what I got. They're cool. See it. So they're, you know, these are Horizons. These boxes are discontinued. So if you're into the collecting side, you don't have to open it. That's kind of what my thought was. Plus, my soldering sucks. But you'll get these. The batteries were incorrect on them, so I got the ones that are supposed to be for them, and that's what these all went bad. But brand new fresh battery inside of them. They'll be zipping again. Anyways, hope you liked the video. It's 300 videos, almost 500 subs. When this goes up, I'll probably be about 285, about a dozen shy or so. So maybe we'll get there quick. But just comment, like I said, just comment on this video. And if you're one of my subs, once I hit 500, I'll do a drawing. I'll go met the deadline, I'll do one of them wheelie doos, you know, you put the names in and all that good jazz. I'll show it on videos. Anyways, thank you guys. Thanks.